You too. Look handsome. Marvin. Hi, Marvin. Shall we? How's your day, Dragon? How's your day? I'll let the car down. Do-do-do-do. I like my outfit today. You know that. Dragon, what are you doing? Ouch. Dragon, what are you doing? It's early because it's... Oh! You don't have work? How's your sleep? Uy, baka naman may pa-Christmas gift kayo dyan, no? Baka may pa-Christmas gift kayo dyan, guys. Hi, good evening, Tom. Tom. No, I'm off the Christmas now. I'm in Canada vacation. Oh! Okay. Poggy. Hi, Poggy. Shall we? So, what's your plan in... Do you have plan in Christmas? What's your plan in Christmas? Ano? Dragon. Sorry guys, may sipon kasi ako. And I have ubo din. My nose is itching. I love my garden. Ayoko nang pinapanood ako. Gaw. Pag naman ka cellphone kay Ambi, happy mag-live ko. Melky! Hi, Melky! Ay, Jesus. Fred, hi, Fred. Oh, guys, I have ano. Wait. Martin. Hi, Martin. Good evening. I'll let my guard down.